We'll guide you through how to make fade in Transition DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and waiting for the software to load completely. Once the application is ready, create a new project and give an appropriate name so you can easily identify it later. After the project opens, go to the Edit tab, which is where you will perform the video editing process. Next, import the two clips you want to use into the media pool by dragging them from your computer or using the import option within software. After the clips have been added to the media pool, drag the first clip onto the timeline and place it at the starting position. Then drag the second clip onto the timeline as well and position it after the first clip. Arrange the clips carefully so they are properly aligned and ready for the transition effect. Once the clips are in place, open the Effects panel located in the editing workspace. Inside the Effects panel, navigate to the Video Transitions category to access the available transition effects. From the list of transitions, locate and select the Dip to Color Dissolve transition. After selecting it, drag the transition from the Effects panel to the timeline and place it directly between the two clips where you want the fade effect to occur. When the transition has been added, open the Inspector panel to access its settings and customization options. In the Inspector, adjust the transition duration according to your needs by increasing or decreasing the length of the effect. A longer duration creates a slower fade, while shorter duration creates a quicker transition. After setting the duration, modify the available transition settings to achieve the best visual result for your project. Take time to fine-tune the effect until it matches the style and pacing of your video. Once the adjustments are complete, preview the edited video in the viewer to check how the transition looks between the two clips. When you're satisfied with the appearance of the fade transition and the overall edit, proceed to the export stage and render the video using your preferred export settings to create the final version.